Hello, what's going on everyone? Today I'm going to share with you how to place some folder outside Htdocs on Windows 10. Okay, head over to some folder and inside a page folder there is conf folder, edit httpd.conf with your text editor. On the line 252 and 253, this one, replace them with the desired folder location. In my case, it's gonna be this folder. So I just copy the line and I paste it here. Comment out the old one and save it. Close the folder, close the file, and restart the web server. Create one file. I call it world PHP. So um, we got a very simple PHP code here just to test the file. Okay, save it and open our browser. Localhost to localhost PHP and uh, hello PHP. Not found. Strange. Localhost PHP. Hello world. Why it's not found? Checks again here. This right there. Nah. So I get rid PHP, save it again, and restart the use the PHP and slash and okay. That's it for today. If you have much better way to do it, just leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Bye.